Let peace, love, and unity guide your steps, and know that you are a divine expression of the world. Life is a complex web that connects all of us. Every breath you take, every heartbeat, and every thought and feeling you have is proof of this. The idea of non-duality, also known as Advaita, is very important in the field of meditation. According to this philosophy, there is no real difference between the self and the rest of the world. The great sage Ramana Maharshi often said, "When we get out of our minds and into our hearts, we start to see the oneness that runs through everything. The way is in the heart," Buddha once said. Your trip is an inner journey to find the love and wisdom that are already inside you. We are infinite, linked, and will always be. Change your inner world, and the outer world will change as well. You have to work on yourself first if you want to see peace, love, and unity in the world. To get to real power and wisdom, you have to learn about yourself and master yourself. Your life is a precious gift, a unique experience of God. Each morning, you are like the sun rising, the moon shining, and the stars shining in the sky. You are the wind, the birds, and the trees. Everything is you, and you are everything. It should guide what you do, how you think, and how you treat other people. When you're facing problems, know that you have all the strength in the world inside you. When you feel joy, remember that it comes from the holy joy that fills the whole world. This deep statement asks us to see how everything is connected. Happy birthday, friend.